Hey guys, it's Miss Allward. I'm here to show you how to log in and create your account for the Servsafe handler course and test that I told you about on Monday. So a friend of mine created this and I've changed it a little bit for us. It's a little more visual for you if you haven't signed in yet to Servsafe. I know there's a few kids that have already started the course, but I'm going to go through it with you so you have it all here, and if you need to go back to it. So you're just going to go to the Servsafe website. This takes you directly to the free course. Okay, so this takes you down here, and you are going to, let's see. See, it's a little different because I'm not logged in yet. You click on the Servsafe food handler. You are going to click on the Servsafe food handler online course and assessment bundle. Add to profile, and it's going to make you, what it's going to do is it's going to bring you to this page. So in the directions, you need to go in and create a new user registration. So that's where I'm going to go for you, create a new profile. And I'm actually going to make one for my daughter just because I want her to have it too. She'll take it when she gets a little bit older. Company name is going to be Cox Mill High School. You're going to put your address. You can say it's Cox Mill High School, but please make sure you have your address in there. Your user ID. I did give you some helpful hints on that before. I would prefer if you did first initial, last name, and like the year you were born. Your email address. Your password should be something that you can remember. Your phone number. You don't have a fax machine. Your secret question. And then you're not going to put anything in here in the exam session number, but you're going to say, I'm not a robot. You're going to hit register. And this sometimes will come up with the addresses. I'm not sure why. But you have to go back and you have to hit register. Okay. Click here to view your course. And then you are going to launch it. Now, when you launch the course, you can take as much time. Obviously, the expiration date for the course is next year, okay? But you, in the next couple days, you have as many hours as you want to take the course. When you go to take the course, that's all fine and dandy, but when you go to take that assessment, it is going to start the assessment, and you have 2 hours, I think, to do the assessment. It's 45 questions, like I said before, and I gave you some directions. Take a screenshot of the last page of your course, and then take the test and take a screenshot of your certificate, or you can even upload the PDF of your PDF of your certificate, and then you can upload it to Canvas. Okay. I'm going to have this due on Thursday. It should not take you that long. Focus on this first. But this is a great opportunity for you to take this course, and it's manageable. Over here, I have given you the big fat answer keys. That is one whole document with chapters 1 through 15 in there. You shouldn't have any problems. You should not have any problems getting answers from that. And I know that some of you left your packets at home. That's why I'm giving it to you here. Okay. And then you also need to note something about yesterday. In your assignments, there was a mistake with one of the links. I actually changed the due date for the work for today. This is the new version of the assignment. Some of you handed in the wrong one. This is part of the assignment. This is the first one that I wanted you to do. It was in the PowerPoint. That was wrong. So today when I went over here, Mackenzie, in one of my other classes, she realized that I had made a mistake. Let's see. Well, where did it go? Oh, here it is. Okay, this right here, this was wrong. This link was wrong. So I had to give you the new link. Okay, and I've changed some due dates on here. You're going to have until April 10th to do that, okay? So that should be all squared away. If you have any questions about any of these assignments, let me know. But you have this Google Doc, which I will share with you. It's in the, I'll share with you in the module for tomorrow, and I will also share it with you in class 2 as well when we have our chat. Okay, any more questions, please give me a shout on Remind or Google Hangouts or email me. Have a great day.